How to spy competitions on Google and Bing ads. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly that, how you can spy and get the best ads which can convert and which can make you money. So I'm going to explain you all in this video, and these are the same techniques which super affiliates do it to spy on competition, and you can see their landing pages and make something which is better than that. Okay, so before I begin the video, guys, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of videos about how to do affiliate marketing and how to make money. So guys, let's get started. And guys, just to remember as well, okay, when you spy on it, you just have to look and just make it 10% better. So now let's get started, guys. So first things first, let's say we are promoting BioFit. Okay, for example, let's take this one, BioFit. Okay, so first things first, when you're doing on Bing advertisement, all you have to do is just click over your tools, add preview and diagnostic, just paste over here, and then you can see your competitions. So as you could see, BioFit, so you could see BioFit official, BioFit official. So these are a lot of ads which are running. The second one is, again, when you search on Google as well, same thing, tools, ad preview and diagnostic, BioFit. Again, all the ads are showing over here. You can do desktop as well. Okay, again, it's showing. So these are two simple ways and it's free. Now I'm going to show you something extreme as well. So again, let's go over here. So this is one more website called valentine.app. Again, you can browse website from US. So just paste over here, BioFit. Okay, and then search. So again, you can see a lot of ads. Okay, that's one thing. And then another way is iSponage. Okay, again, I can't pronounce the website, but this is a paid one. You can create a free account. You can just type BioFit and you can see how many people are running ads. You can find the keyword. So this is a paid tool. So again, I can just show you the ads. So how many people are running their ads. So you could see first scene, last scene, this scene. I can do this one. So you can see a lot of, you need to buy the plugin, but again, you can see the ads. And then the best thing is, I think, so you can see what keywords are they promoting. Okay, so if I just go on related keywords or PPC competition, so these are the websites which are promoting it. So in the paid version, you can see the keywords as well. I don't know, it's not showing over here. So these are the two other most steps where you can spy on your competition. So guys, I think so that's it. I want to keep the videos very simple, short and informative. And if you really like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. And also, if you have any more questions, please do comment. And I think so that's it for today, guys. I hope to see you soon. Yavar Khan signing off.